Hello, today I'm going to be using a ferro rod to light different types of tinder. So this is paper birch bark and it peels off the tree nice and easily without damaging the tree. It's very good for fire lighting. You can rough that up into a small pile, levering using the back of my saw as a striker. I can pin that and then get that to light very easily. Now we have a very easy to light tinder. This is bushcraft. This is going to be a flash tinder. The whole thing will burn in less than a second. So if you're using this kind of tinder, you want to make sure that you've got your next layer of pine sticks, etc. ready. So next we have Crampballs or King Alfred's fungus, King Alfred's cake. Again, one that's not going to create flames per se, but will smoulder. It'll light very easily. You can put that into a tinder bundle and blow that into flames. So the next one is a favourite, and this is Fatwood. So pine trees have a lot of resin in them, and some of the sticks, especially lower down, can still have a lot of that resin. This next one that you might not find everywhere, but people do tend to have it grown in their gardens now. So a kind of coconut palm fibres off the bark of that type trees. Same process with all of this. I'm going to fluff it up, roll it up, and pinning it with my knife. Again.
Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos.